Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today I have a couple errands I have to do. Today's Saturday. Supposed to do them on Thursday, but I had to work, and I've been really busy. I haven't put out any videos lately. I've just been so busy at work. Hopefully Monday we get some word that that other person is going to be coming back. So I've been doing 3 jobs. All in, the time that I've been doing it. So, and yeah, I'm getting through it. So, like I said, today's Saturday, and the weather is going to start taking a turn for the worst. Now that spring is just right around the corner, we're going to start getting back down to upper 40s, low 30s, maybe even a couple upper 20s during the night. I keep telling people we're going to get snow on Easter, but we don't have any on Christmas. So, go figure, right? And, so yeah, I've been really busy. I had a physical the other day, and that went really well. About 99% of my numbers are good. One of my numbers is just a little off, and I got to work on that. It's my cholesterol. And basically my cholesterol is just a couple numbers above what it should be, so I got to work on eating a little better. And they said do a little exercising, which I don't have to run a marathon or anything like that, but yeah, I need to watch what I eat. The last time they checked my cholesterol was way down. But that was when I was really sick with things, and now I'm doing pretty good. And then the old fun, my first colonoscopy I got to have done. Tried to keep avoiding it, but it's a matter of time. You got to have one done. And then I got to go see a ear, nose, and throat specialist, because this cold that's been lingering on, they keep giving me the strongest medication and it doesn't help. So I got to go in there and see what's going on, and see if they can find something why I keep getting sinus infections every year, even sometimes twice a year. Shouldn't be getting that. And the sad part about it is I get a cold. It starts out at a cold, and it just doesn't get to be a cold, where you have it maybe for a week or two. Mine goes right to a sinus infection almost right away. So something's not right, and they're gonna see how they can find out what's going on. So like I said, I got a couple errands I gotta run, and get some things going on. So we're here at Port Washington, where I had to go to get the medication. It wasn't too far from here. Look at this view. Might be a little windy. This is our ocean. Sometimes when the wind comes out of the east, and we get really some bad winds, it's like the ocean. Wind is coming out of the west northwest today, but what a view, hey? Very nice. I don't think there's any boats out there or any ships. Better view. Bluish green water. Very nice. Yeah, she's windy. See for miles and miles and miles. You can hear the waves crashing just like the ocean. Everyone's out and about. Pretty good today. What's sad is more farmland is getting eaten up over there. You can see they're gonna put a hotel there, light business. Just you can see it's going on. That used to be all farmland, used to grow corn there, and yeah, it's we're gonna tear all this down except for that house back there. There was 2 houses right here. They just eliminated those. Probably going to take the barn and silo down. So, yeah, more farmland going bye-bye. You just don't go to the store to buy food. You got to grow it. People don't understand that. So, we're going to have this less farmland going and going and going. And then pretty soon people are going to be like, well, what the heck? Where's our food coming from? Overseas? Got some tulips coming up. Some other stuff coming up. A little bit right here. Some bulbs that I dug up last year. And then some irises coming up. Boy, are they in for a big shock. Some more irises right here. The weeds are coming up. That always comes up. Alright, we're going to try to take part of this branches down here. See if this works out okay. I'm going to put up against so the wind doesn't blow it. Let's see. Let's see how. I know this tree's got to come down, but I'm going to trim this up. like a chainsaw. Not exactly the greatest weather to do this in. Some more branches now. Culled a lot of dead wood there. I should see about all right, we're gonna see if I can take any more off. A lot of this stuff is dead anyway. Like that. Position the ladder. Some stuff down. As I said, there's some trees gotta come down, but I'm not sure if he's gonna bring the camper over here. They're coming. It's either today or tomorrow, maybe not yet. But I just want to be prepared so it doesn't scratch it up. Okay, it looks a little bit better as far as height. Gotta try to get that down over there, but I don't know. Ladder goes up. I don't know if I can go up that high. We'll check it out. Okay, so last part of my video did not work out because it was just too windy. So as you can see, I did trim some off over there and over here and over there. I did trim. So if something does want to get parked in here, you know, we're pretty good. I do want to take this tree down, and I did get an estimate for it last year, and it was $2,000 just to get the tree down, and that's not even cutting it up and hauling it away. Just $2,000 to cut it down. What happened to a couple $100? So anyway, the tree is kind of tilt this way, but I want it to go down this way. I don't want it to go that way. So yeah, I might need some help doing this. My brother said he would help me, but I just don't, you know, once it's done, I don't care. After that, I'll cut it all up. And I've dropped a few trees in my time, but this one's a little too close to the house, like 10 feet to the house, too close. So, but we'll see. So, all right, appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will have some more videos coming out real soon. Thanks for watching.